Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Optimum router that's not working. Right, so step number 1. Ensure that the router is plugged in properly to a working electrical outlet. Look for the power light on the router. If the light is off, try unplugging the router for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. If the light still does not turn on, try a different power outlet or test with another power cable if you have one. After that, step number 2 and solution number 2, verify your internet connection by checking if other devices, like for example your smartphone or laptop, are connected to the Wi-Fi or wired connection. If your devices are working, the issue might be with the router's Wi-Fi signal or settings. Fix number 3, inspect the router's LED lights. Look for blinking or solid lights on the router to diagnose the issue. Power light blinking or off. This suggests that the hardware is a problem. Internet or WAN lights are off or blinking. This indicates that your router is not receiving an internet connection. Wi-Fi lights blinking. This shows that the router is actively sending a Wi-Fi signal. Okay, step number 4. Reset the router. Perform a soft reset, that's option number 1. Press and hold the reset button, usually located at the back of the router, for about 10 seconds. The router will reboot and may fix minor issues. After that, if necessary, this is optional, but sometimes necessary, you can do a factory reset. If the soft reset doesn't resolve the problem, you may need to factory reset the router. Press and hold the reset button for about 30 to 60 seconds until the lights start flashing. This will restore the router to its default settings. Also, the issue might be extremely obvious and you should just check for service outages. So visit Optimum's service page or check their app to see if there is any ongoing outages in your area. If there is an outage, well, that explains the problems. Okay, so last few steps. Update the router's firmware. This is kind of advanced, but not so hard, but you can try doing this as well to fix the issue. Once logged into the router admin interface, check for firmware updates. Optimum often provides updates to improve router performance or fix bugs. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware if it's available. Guys, if none of these methods work, you need to seek a help of a professional by contacting Optimum support, so if the issue persists. So just contact their support and they may able to troubleshoot remotely or send a technician to resolve the issue. So these steps should help you to get your internet up and running, guys. If this video helped, press thumbs up, subscribe, click on the notification bell to not miss new videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.